Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, Slack is an enterprise software. That means you will be needing to have either an invitation to someone's working space or you will need just to have a premium plan so you can have your own space. So as you can see, I'm still only using the free trial for this working space. And let's suppose that you want to create your own working space. And basically, I'm just going to click on create a new one. As you can see, the first thing that you will be needing to do is to enter in your email. And basically, this is also considered as signing up for Slack. So if you go to the slack.com, you will be able to start finding the create a working space, or you can get a demo so you can have more informations about Slack. But let's just stick with create new working space. And from there, you will be able to just click on create new working space and you add your email. That means you will need just to add the email name. Now I'm already logged in, that's why they are taking me this, but it will be the same step. Whenever you are inserting your email, you will be or this will be the next step. So you will be adding the name of your company or the working space. So for example, name it my uh, startup, and basically you click on next, and after that you will add your uh, picture. You will invite people, and basically that's it. And whenever you have created your working space, it will be similar to this. And from here, you will be able to start creating your own channels. So you can start create channel, create section, do whatever you like on this working space. And from there, whenever you want to add people to your working space, so this is my working space, you can start manage it however you'd like on Slack. And basically, you can start uh, open desktop app, do invite people, etc. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.